get the time to do the things you gotta do. Always moving forward, always on the go. I hope you take a moment to take it slow. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Let me be the one to ease your pain.
Yeah, this is just test shot.
There
Here.
it was.
Here, throw up those peace signs again.
I need my other polarizer for my lens, so I'm gonna run up to the car unless you have
All
one.
right. No, I don't think I do. Because
Okay.
I just have them for, I think this is 77.
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah, all right.
Okay. So I'm gonna be back in like 5 minutes.
All right.
If you can just hang tight for a second, I'm just gonna run back to the car real quick.
Yeah, I might take some shots, but I'm gonna grab another one.
Let me be the one to ease your pain. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Baby, take a break. It'll be okay. Let me be the one to ease your pain.
Big smile.
No, sometimes
There it
that
is.
it doesn't make sense. No, sometimes that it doesn't make sense. It's even harder to comprehend. It's a long night. Say goodbye, then hello. We came here from nowhere, going towards the unknown. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Baby, take a break. It'll be okay. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Baby, take a break. It'll be okay. Let me be the one to ease your
Who has 2 kids and a wife who don't work?
Yeah, fuck that.
Nope,
And I'm
nope,
like,
nope.
I spend a lot of money on clothes. Like, do you spend $1 on yourself?
Oh, Hoff, were you there when that colonel came in? And he's like, oh yeah, I think, who was it? The new JA or new CAG guy? And Colonel was introducing him and stuff. And Colonel was telling him about like our degrees, and he's like, oh yeah, and he graduated Syracuse, and that Colonel's like, yeah, when are we gonna get you through OTS? You gotta start making that money to support that family. I was like, sir, I just divorced my wife and the money's coming in like crazy.
Yeah.
And he's like, oh, okay. And I was like, money.
People,
Money, please.
I did that when I was working temperature. Somebody was like, how is teaching your kids during this pandemic? I was like,
I don't
Bitch.
fucking know.
I
I
don't
was
have
like-
kids, bitch.
Give me
I was
the-
like, am I that
What do you need?
wrinkly and fat already?
Yeah.
Like, how dare you? I was like, I don't have kids. I was like, no, I said, my dogs are doing great. They're taking it well.
How far along are you? That's a cheeseburger.
Hey,
That's
do I have to do
suspicious.
something with the shutter to have this kick?
Yes. You have to put on manual. That's the one thing with the Z6. Hold on. So instead of, oh, did you crack that bitch? Yeah, buddy.
What?
You got some wear marks on it now.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I got it.
Awesome. Okay. That actually makes me kind of happy.
Got some screeches.
Breaking it in.